Now this is pretty epic. Let me tell you what happened. I'm at the end of the second challenge I set to myself on opengl again. Once again. This time I did two challenges. I'm finishing the second one already. The second one is about the lightning, and the first one is about the about creating your own DIY model importer on OpenGL, so that like it imports 3D models into your OpenGL application and like renders them from the file system. So like you have a this 3D model. Oh, what the hell? You have a 3D model. Let's see models. Here we have them. I set up some of them. Like we have wall, smooth monkey, sphere, smooth circle, smooth circle. It's actually a smooth sphere. That's me being stupid, sorry. Smaller, which is like a smaller cube, object, which is some stuff. Reverse cube, monkey, and cube, whatever. Yeah. I'm gonna show them to you. And yeah, this is basically the application. Like if we make it, this application, you can see the monkey face, I guess. The colors are awful, I know, but like if you take a look at the thing in Blender, if we delete it and make a new mesh, the monkey, this is basically the same thing, except it's zoomed in and the ears are visible through, which is like a bug I found like a couple of hours ago. I'm still trying to fix it. Indeed, it's still it's also in the other challenge that I'm working on, because I just copy pasted the code. So yeah, it's present in both of the challenges, so I have to fix it somehow. Not sure what the problem is, but oh well. So yeah, now if I can show you how well, not how this works, but for now, but at least like changing the model. So like here you can see I have made a function like that loads the data from the model, the vertex data, and then another one that just randomizes the color for each face, because you know, like each face is a triangle, and it's made up, or in this case, of 3 points, 3 vertices. So each one will have its own separate color, randomly generated, whatever. So if we remove this and vim main.cpp and maybe change this to like, I don't know, like circle.obg, we make it. Hello. Oh yeah, fuck. Of course, me also again being stupid. Sphere, not circle. Here you can see it. Yeah. We can also change it to, let's see. What can we change it to? I don't know, wall. I know I had the wall one, which is like basically just a cube. And yeah, let's do something else. Like yeah, the object one, which is basically a circle with fewer triangles, you could say. Basically this. Wait, let me show you. If you delete it, if you go mesh and go to icosphere, it's basically just a sphere with less circles. We can make it smooth. I guess it's still the same thing, but still with less. It's a bit smoother, but yeah. Now you might be wondering what happens if we import a smooth one. Will it be smooth? Will it have like millions of triangles and whatever? Well, the answer is not really. Smooth sphere. You can say it's basically the same. The result of that maybe because I to be fair, have no idea. Why is that? I think there's just a difference in a different setting in the obj file extension that like sets a flag on how to smooth out those triangles or whatever. I think that's what it does. To be fair, I didn't even check. I'm too bored. I'm too lazy to check. So yeah, excuse me for that. On the other hand, I'm not gonna guide you through this code for now. At least maybe not in this episode. Maybe in the next one, depending on how I will feel. The source code is on my GitHub though, so like if you want to check it out and read it or maybe upgrade it, there's a link in the description to the repo. And yeah, so this is the first challenge. It took me like 3 to 4, actually even 5 days I think to make it. And yeah, I solved it. One strange thing that I did was like, I'm not sure even if it's strange because I'm still kind of new to C and C++, was program in C++ but use a C library called IO, stdio and stdlib. Like if you take a look, the main.cpp, stdio and stdlib, which is in other, specifically in those files, shaders, loader.cpp, stdlib. So yeah, I use those two. I'm not sure how much I'm mixing CPP and C libraries, like in this challenge, but look, the thing works. I'm not gonna complain. And so yeah, I also read somewhere that C libraries are faster than IOStream which is CPP's library. So yeah, I don't know. I just went with this one because I like C way more than CPP. Like the non-object oriented thing, I'm kind of starting to get a hang on lately. I don't know why. So yeah. Then the second challenge, which is basically the lightning. I'm finally reaching a stage where I can code lightning, hopefully. And yeah, this was my first program to implement lightning, and this is how it works. Still, we have random fucking colors. I know they're ugly, don't judge, please. But at least you can see some lightning. If we move it, you can see like here the what is it? The shades. So if we maybe change this, you can notice a slight like some similarities in at least the structure of the project, also in the source code, because they're pretty similar. As I've said, I just copy pasted the source code from the previous challenge and upgraded it now to use lightning. So if we changed this from sphere to be fair, I don't know, let's do wall. It's just a wall. I mean a cube, I guess. Still, I don't know why I called it a wall, but yeah, it just moves it in that way. And yeah. Now another thing we can do actually in here on this video is like disable the random colors. Vim.main.cpp. It's actually pretty easy, I believe, if I'm not gonna mess this up. You just remove the thing that gets that randomizes the color, the code to load it into memory for opengl to use, and the code to bind the buffer and insert it into the shader. So we'll send it to the vertex and then the fragment shader. So this is here, and we simply comment it out alongside this one. Actually, let me just put those together. Okay. And now if we can switch over real quickly to the fragment shaders, it's not gonna get a color. Actually, we're going to send it a constant vector 4. Let's do a red color, reddish color. Hell yeah. Like this. That will do. And hopefully now we should be able to see a red cube. Yeah, and you can see clearly, I guess, a bit more clear the shades now here. In this case, it just uses the diffusion thing. I didn't implement the ambient and the something. I forgot the name. Yeah, to be fair, I have no idea what is it called. I forgot the name. Diffuse lightning, sorry. No idea. Anyway, definitely gonna take a look at it tomorrow or something to learn like how I would implement shininess and whatever. But yeah, now if we can change this again to something like, I don't know, a sphere, and build it, you can see it again more clearly like this. And yeah, we can also try and change the location of the light source. So if we go inside of the fragment, I think I defined it here, yeah. I know it should have been a uniform, don't judge. I was too lazy and I had to just fix the goddamn errors I was dealing with, so I was pretty stressed, and yeah, here we are. There you can see it. This was actually kind of nervous because I was not sure if changing the location of this of the light was gonna work. So yeah, that was a nice satisfaction to see it working. Let's try and put it. I'm assuming this is behind the viewer. Yeah, I guess in front of the viewer, but behind the sphere. So yeah, that's cool. Not sure what happens though. I can try to, because this vector gets normalized. We can try to put something that's way higher than just 1, so maybe like 10. I don't know. Not sure what's gonna happen, but hey, let's see. I guess it just, yeah, just that happens. So yeah, okay, it's basically because it's a directional light. No matter how distant it is, it's just going to do its job in either case. So yeah, that makes sense. So yeah, this is the challenge. The 2 challenges, I guess. There are still some things I have to fix in the lightning version before I do the final push. Indeed, I still have some things to fix in the first challenge before I do the final push, but at least the code there is reaching its end. Here I have to do a little bit more experimenting and stuff to learn about the lightning, so yeah. And then hopefully after the lightning thing, I will have the last challenge of OpenGL after, and then I will take a break from OpenGL, which will be make a mini game. I'm not planning on anything specific, at least for now, because I'm dealing with those specifically, but yeah, I'm guessing it was gonna be something like a chess or like first-person shooter, something really basic. At least some movement, something like that, I don't know, and some input and output from the user. Something like that would be really cool in my opinion. So yeah, that's it. That's it for the video. I just wanted to share those 2 challenges because I'm really fucking proud of myself that I finished them. Holy fuck, was that was loading 3D models into OpenGL hard. God damn.